See, she got these over the internet. I didn't read anything about it. I was talking to her about it. She looked it up on her own. She went ahead and bought them and all that kind of stuff. And so she didn't look, she didn't know the difference and all that kind of stuff, right? Okay, so worst case scenario, if we don't like them, I guess we can box this up. She can return them. All the other ones are still in the same box. She'll have to find out the information, where she got it, and get the information and send it back, and maybe contact them by email. There's an email address on the directions inside the box, and then we may have to find some other ones. I want to get the ones that are yellow light, but nowadays they have lots that are LEDs. So if you go to the hardware store and you look around for the landscape lights, see if they have an area where they show all the different ones turned on, and you can see if are they yellow light, are they white light. I've seen them in neighborhoods where some of them are white, and I just don't like the white light. I like the soft yellow light, you know what I mean? And so make a decision on that before you order them. Okay, then you don't have to go through this, but since I'm going to go through it, I've already put it together. This one has an LED little bulb. It's not even a light bulb. It's little things on the end of the stick. You have to watch that last video I did. And I put it together, okay? And so this is how most of them come. It just comes with a wire like this, and I'm going to end up pulling these ends off. They've already kind of cut the wire there, and you just pull these ends off, okay, like that. And these are stranded wires. See all that? So I'll twist all those together, right? I'll twist them together and stuff, and I'm going to hook that up. Okay, so I know that my light timer is over there. Wire that comes in, and you'll start finding this out when you get your lights, and if you're hooking them on to existing light fixture, landscaping, lighting system. Okay, we had the old lights and we wanted to replace them with the new lights. Okay, so this old one's going away, this other old one's going away. I had another one that was here where this whole spaghetti of wires are. I cut that one off, and they only had two on here before. We're gonna put three. Well, we're gonna put five if this works out. Okay, so I know the wires coming in right here. Okay, so see all this gobbledygook? Look at this. You know which is which and all that. We don't have to worry about any of that, and I'll talk to you about that right now.